Welcome to the 10th video of our UI UX design course. In this video, we are going to design some sketches for our website so we can communicate with client using these sketches. It will be easier for client to understand the concept. So let's get started. As we continue our journey in designing our unique photo sharing website, it's time to put our ideas into a visual form. We are going to create some rough sketches to help us better understand the user interface and the overall user experience. These are low fidelity, extremely rough sketches, and their purpose is not to look pretty but to help us communicate our ideas more effectively. We are going to use the knowledge we gained from our foundational research, which we discussed in our previous video, to guide our sketching process. This research has given us valuable insight into what our user needs and expect from our website. So let's get started. Alright, so here we are about to sketch the amazing PhotoShare website. This time it's all with the real hands and not with an animated hands as it was before. So let's dive in and build this simple setup to life. Starting with the top left, we have our logo, a distinctive mark that represents our brand. Moving to the top right, there is the menu bar for easy navigation across the website. Beneath the logo, we have a brief description to provide the visitors with an idea of what our website offers. On the right side, there is an image strategically placed below the navigation just for the visual appeal. Now let's focus on the how we work section. On the left, we have an image and the text for upload, emphasizing the user's ability to upload their photos. Similarly, on the right, another image and share, showcasing how users can share their uploaded photos. Below upload, and here is our main feature, that is no screenshot, and just like before, on the left we have an image. Additionally, I am including an upload button below the description, allowing the users easy access to upload their photos. Clicking this button leads users to a new page. This page has the same elements such as logo and menu bar just like before, and below this we have the user's photo and their username. Below this we have the list of all the photos that user has uploaded. Now keep in mind that this page will be visible only if the user has created an account. Under each uploaded image there is a copy link button, generating a shareable link for each picture. And at the end of user's images, we have a plus icon and an upload button for additional uploads, so users can upload their pictures. After this section, we move on to download. Here we offer our app for both iOS and Android users, and definitely it's free. This is center aligned with a huge box, as you can see. Following download section, the next is reviews. For now it's just a dummy because we have not launched our product, but later there will be reviews from users and then the top personalities if they use it, who will write some review anywhere on social media or on Play Store or on Apple Store. And below this review there is footer section just for some social media links and other basic info. And that's all about our website. Now let me give you a quick summary. Here is our header section. We have a logo and a menu bar. Then we have a description and an image. Below the description I have an upload button, which if a user clicks, he will be forwarded to a new page where his images will appear. Next, we have how we work section. In this segment, we have highlighted upload, share and no screenshot functionalities. It's just that when a user lands on our website, he should know that how our website works, because this will be new idea for most of the users. So I thought it necessary to add it here. Next is our download section, where this area offers download for iOS and Android, but this is still under discussion. How this is still under discussion, I will explain you in a minute. Next we have a review section to get the reviews of our users and most importantly the top personalities if they use our product. Next we have the footer section with the essential links that we will add, and I have not showcased it here in our sketches. Now one thing that is still under discussion, and I need to talk about this to the client, and I thought it necessary to discuss at this point, because at this point if we make changes to our website, this will not affect on cost of the project, and basically that's the main benefit of creating that sketches. So the point is that after receiving the link, suppose I have shared a link to another person and after that person receives the link, then what will happen? Now there are two scenarios as from our previous video and previous research. One is that we should build our dedicated app, and another is that we build this functionality into our website. We can build this functionality into our website, but this is not secure. I have researched it a lot, and if you have seen my previous video about foundational research, you should know that this is not 100% safe. I will count it as just 30 to 25% security, and this is not a correct way. So I will discuss this with the client that having a dedicated app will bring more security and more trust for your brand. So I have just added this in sketches just to demonstrate to the client, and these sketches are based on the app because I will recommend to the client that we should have an app. Like if someone has clicked our link, he is redirected to our app, and if he do not have our app, then he should download this. So in the next video we are going to take these sketches and our foundational research and use them to conduct interviews with the stakeholders or client. We will get feedback on our design, find out what works and what doesn't, and use this information to refine our sketches and move closer to our final design. So stay tuned for that, and as always, thank you for joining us on this journey.